Do you have any recommendations for the future Joels and Johns coming up, listening to this, wanting some advice and inspiration? What do you have to say to them?
Well, I think the main thing that I have to say to them is that like passion is extremely important in whatever you're doing. You have to choose something that you're passionate about because passion will take you through the toughest days. Even though I've been writing code for so many years and I have so much like international experience and I still have tough days. Sometimes like today is a tough day for me because someone was trying to log into my Outlook account, my Microsoft account that's connected to like a bunch of production stuff I have on Azure and now I'm locked out of my account. And I have two-factor auth on it and everything. But I guess Microsoft is saying, oh, someone was trying to log in, so they kind of locked me out and I'm trying to get back in. But on days like this, I have to ensure that the passion and what I'm really trying to do basically, transcends all of that. So in every field, it doesn't matter whether it's AI or not. Like if you're not passionate, you're not gonna survive. You're not gonna live through to really get down into the nitty gritty. You're gonna have bugs that are gonna last for days on end. I've had a bugs lasted over a week before
God,
I've discovered
God.
a fix. Like it's been a journey. So really, really dial into passion, and then most importantly, like ensure that you marry passion with profit, because we're living in an age now where a lot of people who aren't passionate are making a lot of money. And it's always that way because the people who are passionate are always down in the trenches, just enjoying the technology. But if the people who are passionate had more resources, the world would be a better place. That's what I think. Like, so nerds need to learn how to sell, and that's why I've been learning to sell. Like, I'm like, I am way too brilliant to not have money, to really live a comfy life. And I shouldn't be at the mercy of a salary, of trying to communicate my value to someone else. When you're a business person, you own a business, the sky is the limit. Like, people can buy every day and you will be fine. So like Joyful now has subscribers from Norway, New Zealand, US, Jamaica. Like people from all across the globe can decide to pay me if they want. And then most importantly, like resilience. You have to get up every day no matter what. Even when you don't feel like putting in the effort, you have to put it in if you want the result. And I think that's the thing I have to say to like a lot of people. Like a lot of the successes I've had over the years, it did not come easy. Trust me. And there are things I lost. Like I feel like I could have been a more social person to some extent. I do socialize a lot, but I spend a lot of time on my craft, and I don't regret it. It's just you have to make a decision. Do you really, really want to be good at this stuff? Do you really want to, set yourself apart? But most importantly, don't sacrifice self.